Hello and greetings. Welcome for listening to my presentation. Well, this was a project that we did, two people and the presenters are there. We did it for our final here for the Department of Computing Science. So look at the tools that we will be using. Well, from the above, we'll be using an operating system. We've got more than forum. The software development kit will be Visual Paradigm for the design and use cases. Languages will be Java, XML. IDE will use Android Studio. Database we will use Firebase. Yeah, and so through this we'll develop our system. So let's get to see the project from the Android Studio. So as you can see, these are the codes from Android Studio. See, the dashboard was well designed. As you can see, it's very beautiful. We had several Java classes. As you can see, there's so many Java classes that we use in implementing this project. As you can see, there are almost 10 around, yeah, so many. And the layouts, the XML layouts, yeah, as you can see the layouts, yeah, and finally you can see the gradual setting that we used. And in the project we had no AVD. We didn't create no AVD, so we are going to just build APK and transfer it to our phone and install the app. So from this point we have already installed the app in our phone. As you can see, it's a reader, so we'll just click on it and get into business. So can you see the developer here? You can log in. If you're not registered, you can register. The click. So let's get into our database, the Firebase. These are the users that previously logged into our database. So let's delete all of them so that we can create new users. So let's start creating a new user by a name Jack Will, and his username will be there, email will be there, and passwords. So this is a real-time database. A moment we will enter data and register, submit, the data will be immediately updated on the backend, which is our Firebase database. So let's check, let's reload, and as you can see, Jack Will has been added, and as you can see, the password is encrypted. The date created is September 15, 2020. The date signed in is the same date. Yeah. So let's get back to our dashboard to navigate through the functionality that our project will implement. As you can see, bursaries, internship, jobs, complaints, and the app looks very beautiful. Let's start by complaints. We have started with the complaints because it's the only part that is having few entries compared to others. So it's simple and very easy to deal with, very quick. So let's go through it very quickly. And remember, this is a real-time database. A moment we will submit the data that we have just entered, immediately we will see an entry is added on the real-time database part. So just check. It's only around 2 seconds. Just, yeah, as you can see, that has been added. And so let's navigate through the data, the complaints, because you can see the title is complaints, and the complainants was this guy, and the details are here. Yeah, so and let's get back to dashboard so that we can start applying bursary. As you can see, it's checking adverts for bursaries, and there we are. There are two advertisements for bursary, number 1 and number 2. You can apply either, and as you see, the data are being handled. And as I have said earlier, this is a real-time database, and somebody has applied for complaints, and another person is applying for bursary. So when is complete and you will submit, you will see a bursary part and the applicants. So let's just wait and see. This is a real-time database, and there are two screens, a phone screen and a computer screen that is open on our laptop. So let's select that CV. That's a CV supportive document. The file is uploaded. Whoop, there it is. There it is. The bursary applicant was this guy, Tom. His details were this one, as you can see. And remember, he uploaded a CV through which you're going to get from storage. So let's load that. As you can see, bursary, the Tom bursary file, and you can just download it from that moment. Yeah. The same procedure we did for bursary is what we're doing for internship positions. So let's see checking. Yeah, wow, those are all of the positions that are available for interns. Almost 5. Yeah, you can choose either and apply for. So the guy is applying for internship position in an IT department. Yeah, as you can see, he's entering his data. Here we will enter his CV. So let's see. He's just choosing a CV from the file. Good. And the file is uploaded. Wow, it's already in our database. So let's see the internship application. Applicant was this guy, and let's get to see his CV. There, the same thing we did to bursary. You can download, and that's just get it over like that. Yeah, so that was our project, and we're very happy that we did a good work. Thank you for participating and listening for our project. Thank you.